Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a drain hose bracket on your washer's drain hose. The reason why you might have to do this is because your drain hose is falling out of the standpipe, and the bracket will prevent the drain hose from falling out of the standpipe, and it'll prevent the washer's drain hose from kinking. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So as you can see right here, we've got our drain hose, and it looks like it came out. It's having some trouble staying in the standpipe. So with that being the case, we're going to grab our new OEM drain hose bracket. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So in order to put this on, what we're going to do is just slide the end of the drain hose right here all the way up. And this drain hose is actually nice enough to have a little notch right there where the bracket will go. And we'll feed the end down through this side. Again, right up to this little notch right here. So that bracket will hold that in place. And now we can put our drain hose right into our standpipe, just like that. And it'll sit securely in place without you having to worry about it coming out again. Well, now that we've got that all taken care of, I'm going to go stand outside for a bit. So if anyone asks, I'm outstanding. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.